Hi everybody, this is Sheila Aliens, and today is December 23rd, 2011. And Merry Christmas everybody, and Happy Holidays too. This is a short tutorial for my friend Larry, because I don't know how to explain it other than to just show how to do it. So he was saying that none of my uploads show up for him anymore in his subscription inbox on his homepage. And I said, well, you can pin your subscriptions, the ones that you want to see the most, you can pin, and they'll be right there for you to check out. And the way that you do that is right here, subscriptions. It has some on here by default, which you can change. Just go to see all. Right now you don't have any pinned. You can pin up to 10 of them. Okay, so I have pinned these subscriptions. Now when I go back to my homepage, they're right there. So if I want to see, this is just a bunch of, just all my subscriptions are going to show up right here, but if I click like on Dutch, then I can see, aw, he favorited my videos. Thank you, Dutch. That's really sweet. Or you can just see what they've been uploading. So this is one feature that's actually helpful with the new changes. And again, if the person has it enabled, then you'll be able to see any comments they're leaving and any likes that they give a video and their uploads, if they have that feature enabled for people to see. So pretty simple. That's about it. Be safe and happy holidays. Yeah.